This review is for a crow bird scarer. It's a little bit small for a crow. It's more of a jackdaw size. It's not the most realistic I've seen. Assembly involved just pushing this into this slot here, but I don't know how secure it is. I'm not convinced it's going to stay up. You also have the option of pushing this stake through, and it comes out of this hole here, and the idea is that you can push it into the ground. But it fouls with the bottom there. So I think this is a pretty poor item, and I'm just going to give it 2 stars.